Well, the battery looks like it's dead, and well, yeah. I made another one of them purchases that kind of is a head scratcher, but I have my ideas. So yeah, it's a 91 International 9670 Eagle. Chassis is an 82. It's a glider truck. So, yeah. So I'm gonna fire this thing up and clean it up a little bit because it's mousy inside. So yeah, we can get this fired up and we'll clean her up. So yeah, the view from the passenger side, and I have the headliner. I just got to take and kind of clean it up and get it back in here, but that's about how I got it. So yeah, we're gonna clean this up, and then you can see some of that stuff right there. I'm gonna try to vacuum up and clean this up in here and try to get it a little bit nicer, neater, maybe smelling a little nicer in here. So yeah, it's mostly complete. I'm missing a few things. I'm missing a speaker. Unless it's back there somewhere. The blower motor. There's two of them. It's missing one of them, so I gotta get the other one. But clean her out really well, and you know, you can see the light down there. There's a hole where mice have been getting in. There's some loose wires here. There's some stuff to go through and try to get figured out, but we're gonna get this cleaned up for now. We got everything shoved back in here for now. It's dinner time, so I'm gonna call it quits for today, but got it mostly vacuumed out. This corner back here is right behind the driver, is probably the most mousiest corner, so I think I'm gonna have to probably end up taking and pulling the paneling out of there and see if I can figure out why, if they got a nest built up in there. But clean the inside of the windshields a little bit, wipe down the dash some, so now you can actually see nice and clear for the most part. Yeah, just gonna keep picking away at it and see what we can do. Well, the camera angles are probably gonna be terrible, but this back corner here is the worst smelling corner in the sleeper. Over the other side, passenger corner doesn't like smell at all. So I'm gonna go with that. Probably up in here. There's a little bit of a, I don't know, the fabric's falling a little bit, but I'm wondering up in here, there's a spot where the screws are looking corroded, which would kind of indicate potential mouse nest up there. So yeah, pull this headliner down back here, I think, and dig in, see what I find. Woohoo! I hope there's not a big mouse nest in there, makes it all nasty, but I guess we'll see. Oh, I might need to go grab my impact driver for this. Oh, I bet you this has never been out. So that's all separate there. Oh, let's try that out. I can get all those screws. So for the record, I've never taken one of these apart, so you know, this is kind of flying blind. There it is. Oh, I take that corner out. loose. Alright, I think. Hey, look. That goes on that side, okay. Yeah, it really smells in this corner. Oof. Oh, there we go. If that's the case, hopefully, like I said, I can just get this all cleaned out and clean the panels up. This one actually almost feels damp, which would kind of go with what I'm afraid of. Come on. There it is. Oh, come on. Oh, yeah. No. All right. Oof. These separate in the corner. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. So I gotta get that screw out. So I gotta get a different screwdriver. This one I thought would work, but I need a little bit bigger head on it. So I'm back. Well, the camera angles are probably gonna be terrible, but this back corner here is the worst smelling corner in the sleeper. Over the other side, passenger corner doesn't like smell at all. So I'm gonna go with it. Probably up in here. There's a little bit of a, I don't know, the fabric's falling a little bit, but I'm wondering up in here, there's a spot where the screws are looking corroded, which would kind of indicate potential mouse nest up there. So yeah, pull this headliner down back here, I think, and dig in, see what I find. Woohoo! I hope there's not a big mouse nest in there, makes it all nasty, but I guess we'll see. I apologize now, but I didn't film a lot of this, but I found where the smell is coming from. I don't know if you can see, but there's a little bit of wetness looking or staining on the headliner for the back sleeper. There was mouse nest up in that corner by the speaker, and there was one right there, and then all crap all along there. So we're gonna get that out of here, get cleaning on it, and try to get this all cleaned up and maybe smelling a little nicer in here. All right, so because all that, we're pulling a bunch of this stuff down. Yeah, they were on top side a little bit. Yeah. Well, this is gonna be a little more fun, but at least that came out without too much. Yeah, see that? That can go right outside. A couple of these big pieces might be cleanable, but the little pieces probably not, because they got mouse chewed thoroughly. This one here, I think there's stuff behind it. Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, there's stuff. I gotta tuck the vacuum cleaner around that corner there. Don't know if I can actually get that one out. This speaker's junk because they ate it out. Oh, sorry, I'm kind of bouncing around here trying to get this all out, not breathe a bunch of it in. Oh, there's more up that way too. Perfect. Yeah, so woohoo. I know where the smell's coming from. I don't want to, but at the same time I'd probably need to, is pull these side panels off, because who knows what's behind those too. Woohoo! Here we go. I'm gonna work on that. Yep, we're back again, everyone. It's about exactly a week since I was last filming. I don't know if you can tell, we're in the cab over, and this is kind of where we left her off. Right now I got some cleaner and stuff. I'm gonna take a scrub brush and try to clean all along up in there where the mices were, and those mouse, and then maybe along this bottom edge around here too. Try to clean it up in here. It's way better in here than before, so that's always a plus. But yeah, we're gonna try to get this cleaned up even better, because I'd rather not be smelling that anymore, because that was pretty bad. So yeah, just work on that and yeah, go from there. Well, the wind's whipping outside, but I don't know how well you can see, but definitely smells a little nicer, neater in here. The floor is a lot cleaner. That bag of paper towels, dirty paper towels, and it was all from back, especially up in there, right in here, this section here, there's a mouse nest in the headliner up here. That must have been their little pooping spot, because that was like packed full. That was nasty. So I got that scraped out and hosed everything, scrubbed everything, and pretty much wiped everything back there down. So yeah, it's a little bit cleaner back there. So yeah, I'll probably vacuum it out one more time, but at least for now I can feel a little better about being in here. So yeah, then I got a couple more pieces cleaned up here. Nothing major, but yeah. So I think that's gonna wrap this one up. Just a quick start. Get some stuff cleaned up. Got the back of the cab cleaned up. I'm gonna try re-grooving the tires a little bit, just to give me a little tread for the time being, until eventually getting tires, and well, we'll see where everything goes. But that's the start for now. But enjoyed the video. Please like, please subscribe, and I guess go ahead and leave a comment down there. Found something interesting or whatever. As always, go find yourself something to fix. Thanks.